Stop, please don't skip the video. In this video today, I will share with you an important YouTube tip, how to create 2 YouTube channels in one Gmail account. First, searching YT Studio. Now click YT Studio link. Before that, let me tell you that if you are a new viewer on my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Now waiting for new channel create pop-up. I will turn off these notifications for my convenience. You can see the channel create pop-up show in front of me. Now click on create channel to open the first channel. Nothing else needs to be changed here. It will take some time for the channel to be created. We are waiting. The first channel has been created. Now click continue. Look, right now, in front of me, the first channel is showing the dashboard. Now I will show you how to create a second channel in the same Gmail. Now to do this, you click on Settings. Click Channel. Now click Advanced Settings. Scroll down here. Now click Manage YouTube Account. Now click Create a new channel. Now in place of the name, here you put the name of your channel. Now I gave a name here for example, but here you will enter the name with which you want to open the channel. Now click Create Channel. Now we have waited again for a while. It will take a while for the channel to be created. The channel is ready. Now I will show you 2 channels. Now click Profile Photo icon. Now click Switch Account. Look, I'm showing 2 channels at the same time. I hope I was able to explain it to you.